Hey, what's up, YouTube? Today I'm talking about the 248 pieces, which took about 3 hours to build. It's kind of it was hard. It's sold in Donkey. It costs about maybe around いくら1780円 is like 1,780 yen, about less than $20. And this parts, so begin with this side parts, then build this side, then build inside, and quite fun for kids, but it took like long time. So just look at this. You can see, put it here, and it goes many here, so it's go down there, then go around and go down here. So let me show you. It's like this. Yeah, it was so difficult to do. Just wanted to show you how this built. It could be a little bit different from actual picture itself. Actually, the manual and the videos that I saw is not the same as the one actually shown here. So some of the builds are different from what I did because it's kind of difficult. So you have to take a guess on where you build and how you put together. And most important part is once you figure it out where the path is. For example, one path is here. Actually, if you look at this path, it's not the same like this. Reason why like my kids like push it, then it will be like fall down. So I put one block here so it will be a little bit better, and then go around this side. Then also inside is a bit not stable, so there is some hook right here, and like this. And this part is also a little bit different. It has a little dent. Reason because I wasn't sure like how this. If I go up a little bit, it doesn't fit right. So that's where I didn't figure it out. But the last part is very important. It's a two-piece down here, so that when kids push it, it doesn't go all the way. And only support that you have is one is here, and another one is 2 blocks and stand right here. And this part is kind of a 3 or 4. You could do it, but I guess it depends on how you wanted to support it. Basically, I supported 2 parts in here, 2 parts, one in this. Then other one is so its inside has this circle, and it has the 1 and 2 supports on the back there. So it's quite tough around this area because there are no instruction. I look at the YouTube and see like how it's built, but it doesn't build well. So then let me check other things here. So that's pretty much it. Just kids love it. I didn't show him for a while until I built it because it disturbed me all the time. So when I do it, so it's quite good like this. So it has this go the way down there, go down, then go down. See that? It's pretty neat. And it has six the bees, 6 bees, so you can just play around like this. Even myself kind of enjoy myself. I wish I have a kind of automation where I don't need to put the bees all the time. So that's pretty decent one. So let's do this once more. So I have 5 more minutes to complete, so I'll still keep talking about the blocks. And so just look at this. If you like to reference this part, then this part's a little bit different also. I put it back. No, this is one flat piece, big one, which I have a few blocks here. So kind of I wasn't sure. This part and this distance is supposed to be the same as any other things. When you purchase, I think this distance is the same. So when you put it here, I think if I put it down here, then it will move down here. So what I need to do is just I draw the line all the way here. So I have to bring this 4 piece to the right side. So that means I need these few blocks, and instead of one in one flat big block to put it the side. So this is helpful when you consider build this. I think you could do differently, but this is how I did it. Then I had to change it inside of this slide, which is I have a slide right here. So I put a slide down here. And other thing is, so this circle right here is also one thing is any color they use, and also doesn't match with the actual instruction. Also the picture that you see in the box, it's not the same color, so don't worry about the color as long as the space as long as the shape of the block is the same, then it should be okay. Yeah, I took 3 hours. I said like it's kind of a tough things, but it's kind of fun when the kids play around and see like how this thing goes. And he pushed it all the way, so it sometimes breaks. So I'm thinking about put the glue on it, because otherwise, he'll break it eventually. Like when he plays around, so he really love it. He just play around. I put it in somewhere to hide before after build. Then I didn't really show it to him like after like a week or 2 weeks, and because I didn't have time and see see how he does. He'll just look at it and sometimes take it out the piece and stuff. So maybe put it when he's not around, so I can put the super glue on it, so he doesn't take it. Because all this time that we spend, once you break it, it's kind of I don't want to do it again. You know what I mean? So, KK, what are you doing? So that's how you wanted to make sure, like he's doing right, and he's not playing kind of a bad thing here. Anyway. So few minutes to go, so I'm running this for 10 minutes, so then hopefully helpful, something is good to play around and see like how it is. And I have 2 pieces missing somewhere. He's just playing around. It was great. It was fun. Then I'm planning to make it something more bigger, or something more automatic, or some like toy that more enjoy, like it kind of make you think about this, how to build and stuff like that. So hopefully it helped. Please subscribe my channel. I'm trying to get more subscribers and get 1,000 subscribers, hoping to get it this year. I don't have many subscribers at this moment. I just started it, so I don't know if it's helpful that much, but it's kind of fun to play with this. Okay, thanks, guys. Peace.